holding the starter on. Well, look. Something was definitely grinding on it right here. See that?
Yep.
Are the teeth gone? Is that just not because it comes out to engage?
Your flywheel flux?
Let me get the camera in there. Looks like the gear on it's rubbing on the housing right there.
The starter is? Or is the flywheel?
The ring gear on the flywheel is hitting on the inside of the housing right there.
Oh shit.
Because the starter looks like you can, yeah, look, there's all this stuff shaved off on the starter, but the gear on the starter looks okay. So I'm probably gonna have to pull the transmission off and see why that's. Oh, okay, wait. Yeah, so I guess whoever said the ring gear on the flywheel was coming off is right, because I think that's what happened. I'm pretty sure that's the flywheel right back there, and the ring gear popped off of it. Because, yeah, that's my clutch right there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, look. It just pushed in. Well, looks like I need a new, probably end up just getting a new flywheel, so. Yeah, whoever said the ring gear came off the flywheel, you were right. That's what happened. Or at least it just came loose, so gonna have to pull the transmission off and get that fixed. Well, that kind of sucks, so the hatch is gonna be down for a little bit, but that's alright. I have to do a whole bunch of stuff to it anyway. So I guess now's the time to start taking it apart. And something I never mentioned about this car, once I turned it up on the dyno, this thing would just fling sparks everywhere, like right at the top of the pool. I bet this has everything to do with that, so that makes me pretty happy that at least I found out why it was rubbing, because that was always worrying me, because every time I'd do a pulley with my friends following me, going up to meets, they'd see me racing other people. They'd say every time I did it, I just had sparks flying out from the bottom of my car. So happy at least I figured that out, but it's going to kind of suck that I have to pull the whole transmission out and everything to fix it. But you live and learn. So stay tuned for the next few videos. I'm probably just going to be doing work to this one for the most part. I'm gonna try to get it done as fast as I can. Try to get that tranny off, get that flywheel fixed. Not sure if I'm just gonna fix the stock one or go ahead and just order like a lightweight one, since, I mean, I'm doing all the work to pull it off. I might as well get a different flywheel. I'll see how bad the damage is. And gonna go ahead and pull the turbo kit off this one. I got some stock H22 headers down here. Gonna throw those on, make this thing hopefully pass emissions, run a full exhaust. Then, once I get it to pass emissions, I'll throw everything back on. And I'm just gonna work on making the car solid from there, make that new top mount. And yeah, pretty much it for this car. Keep you updated on Charlie's. We're still waiting on his boots to come in to finish the intercooler piping, but once we get those, his should be on the road pretty soon.